In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Pulse Elite to iPhone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you the most convenient way to set up and use your Pulse Elite wireless headset on any mobile device that supports Bluetooth, including, of course, your iPhone. So you will be able to use Bluetooth to connect them completely wirelessly. To do this, first, make sure that Bluetooth is toggled on. So open the Bluetooth settings on your iPhone and double check to see if it is enabled. Once Bluetooth is enabled, you will be able to set up the Pulse Elite wireless headset and put it into pairing mode. To do this, press the PlayStation Link button on your headset to turn it on. Now press and hold the PlayStation Link button again and release it when the status indicator on your headset quickly blinks blue. So you will have to hold it for a few seconds, approximately 8 seconds. The headset is going to be in pairing mode when the indicator quickly blinks blue. With this done, and with the headset in pairing mode, you will be able to find it under the list of available devices on your iPhone's screen. So just select it from the list. When you choose it there, it is going to be paired up and connected. The indicator on the headset will turn solid blue, and now all of the audio being output on your iPhone will be output on the Pulse Elite instead. You will also be able to use the microphone that is attached to it as well. After pairing with the mobile device, it is automatically going to pair itself up every single future time that you power it on. So as long as you power on your headset and it is in close proximity of your mobile device, it is going to automatically connect over Bluetooth. You can unpair it at any time, and keep in mind that there might be some latency related to the audio. As long as it is paired up to your iPhone and any other device, when you power it on and it has sufficient battery, it is going to be used for all of the audio. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Pulse Elite to iPhone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.